Zerim niba kaju gunju chemo ten jobje jarake zinda sore zarjo.
The next item on our program is the presentation of the awards from the 18th Kaju Gunchu Winter Debates.
接下来，第18届噶举冬季辩经法会颁奖活动开始。
Kaju gunju chemo ten jobje pala libdi yare. Chitang kaju gunju hamane yakbo yaba yena yang. Ranglo ki yicha zinsam puson soba yongya tang. Lobchong namge lodu yarje yongya ge chedo. Jawan kama ban cho ne mixal sacha gelo nyingma kaju ge cho ne rupa kaju tang rong kaju ke kembo tang gegi dindi hyude kaju gunchule yobe sheda kha ke riglam dendur cheya tang de yin jön do kaju gunchu ke zondru tang daga na yin ke chulam la so ba la himju je ne teni zingda te ya yue ba tare thema sumba de char ya re.
Before the Munam, there was the 18th Kaju Gunchu Winter Debates. In the past, the Kaju Gunchu Winter Debates had been excellent. But in order to uphold the philosophical traditions of the Karma Kaju, and also as a way to motivate these students to improve their learning, His Holiness the Gyalwang Karmapa has invited scholars from the Sakya, Nyingma, Gelug, and various other Kaju lineages, such as the Drikung and Drukpa Kaju, to come and judge the debates that are held between the different Shedra monastic colleges. And so they have been judging the formal debates and also seeing who has the best conduct and who is the most diligent. And so this year is the third year that we are giving awards for these.
在我们祈愿法会之前，已经举办的是辩经法会，已经是第18届了。那么过去的辩经法会，就像刚刚提到的，已经有很好的历史。但是接续在法王噶玛巴的领导之下，那么也希望更加的鼓励学生们能够更用功的学习，在行为上也能够更加的好。所以礼请了各个教派的上师学者来指导，例如萨迦派、尼玛派、格鲁派，在我们噶举当中也有竹巴噶举、直贡噶举的老师们前来指导。那么不仅是指导，也给予这个评分。所以为了鼓励学生，让他们更加的精进的学习，所以到今年为止的这样一个颁奖已经是第3届了。
Te tawu ke tablam me de shongwa la tin ne kaju pe ke sheda kha ranglu yi chan zen sam dang daga na yi ke reglam so namsa law dun jurwa tawu ke yarje pusun soba ke chabande jawang yi yin no we tuji kadin le tin ne chongwa yendu de ne ning thaba ne tuji che sho.
This has proven the most excellent of methods, and whether we talk about the ability to uphold the texts of our own tradition, their logical abilities, or so forth, it is as if the difference between night and day. And so, first of all, we would like to thank His Holiness the Gyalwang Karmapa for his compassion and kindness in suggesting this.
这样的一个 评分的制度哦，真的是很不可思议，非常非常的好，起到了很好的效果，也让所有这些我们嘎举的学生们，他们对于自宗的学问也好，在辩论上也好，真的是有非常大非常大的一个进步。所以在这里，首先要再次感谢法王噶玛巴的带领。
他想了जुगटू जेबे आंरांग दे रंबाजिन तो मा शुगये अने जुगटू कबला द्वेपा तंग तारे तंग लोरिंग लासोबा रंबाजिन तो येबे नाने थोमर द्वेपे का आंग तारेम दे मा शुगये.
Next, we will announce who has received the high places in the three topics. There are three topics. The first is the collected topics. The second is types of evidence, and the third is types of minds. And so first, for the types of evidence.
接下来我们会按照学科来给予颁奖，也就是社类学、音类学和心类学的学科。首先要颁发的是社类学。
对吧按当波。
The first prize in collected topics.
社类学第一名。
对吧按当波。
The first prize.
第一名哦。
对吧按当波加个通勤，不个一些的推上脑灵。
It is the first prize in collected topics goes to the Tusam Norling Gazel Institute of Bokar Rinpoche's Mirik Monastery.
第一名是波卡佛学院。
对吧按你吧。
Second prize in collected topics.
第二名。
对吧按你吧。
Second prize.
第二名。
对吧按你吧。拉瓦瑞贝多吉祖拉拉尼康。
Second prize in collected topics goes to the Rikpe Dorje Institute of Jamgon Tontu's Lava Monastery.
蒋贡仁波切的拉瓦寺院佛学院。
तारे आन तांबो.
First prize in types of evidence.
音类学的第一名。
तारे आन तांबो.
First prize types of evidence.
第一名。
तारे आन तांबो लावा रिगबे दोरजी चुला लानेर खां.
First prize in types of evidence goes to the Rikpe Dorje Institute of Lava Monastery.
蒋贡仁波切的拉瓦佛学院。
达雷昂尼巴，
Second prize in types of evidence.
第2名；
达雷昂尼巴，
Second prize.
英类学第2名；
达雷昂尼巴，人对些的伽马西人那领导，
Second prize goes to the Rumtek Shedra Karmashri Nalanda Institute.
龙德寺佛学院。
罗雷昂当波，
First prize in types of mind.
心类学第1名，
罗雷昂当波，
The first prize.
第1名；
罗雷昂当波，拉瓦瑞贝多吉朱拉罗面康，
First prize in types of mind goes to the Rikpe Dorje Institute of Lava Monastery.
心类学第1名，蒋公仁波切的拉瓦佛学院。
罗雷昂尼巴，
Second prize in types of mind.
心类学第2名，
罗雷昂尼巴，
Second prize in types of mind.
第2名；
罗雷昂尼巴，伽马里谢林，
Second prize goes to Karma Lekshe Ling.
心类学第2名，噶玛列谢林佛学院。
罗雷达雷迪巴松琼当给昂当波，
Next is the award for the highest total in all 3 topics.
接下来是3个科目的总体的第1名，
琼当昂当波，
The highest total, first place.
总体的第1名。
琼当昂当波，拉瓦瑞贝多吉朱拉罗面康，
Overall, first place goes to the Rikpe Dorje Institute of Lava Monastery.
蒋贡的拉瓦佛学院。
담자 나니 제프
Now the prize for the best responder.
接下来是立宗第一的，
담자 제프
The best responder was
立宗第一名。
담자 제프 까르마 리케랭 까르마 흔도
The best responder was Kama Hunduk from Kama Leksheling Institute.
伽马列谢林佛学院的僧人伽马伦珠。
当时 제프
The best presenter
辩论第一，
当时 제프
The best presenter was
辩论第一，
当时 제프 라와 름릭 릭베 도르지 쪽라 럼니 칸 니도 잔소
The best presenter was Ngeden Gyatso from the Rikpe Dorje Institute in Lava.
Lava 佛学院的缅敦嘉措僧人。
손주 제프
The most diligent student.
精进第一，
손주 제프
The most diligent student
精进第一，
손주 제프 덴사 빠봉시에다 띵진 폰소
The most diligent student was Tenzin Punsok from Sherapling's Lungrik Japeyang Ling Institute.
精进第一是来自八棒寺智慧林佛学院的丹津punso僧人。